Welcome back to our channel, where we provide you with the best travel tips and tricks. In today's video, we'll be sharing the top things you must do before going on vacation. Whether you're heading to a tropical paradise or exploring a bustling city, these essential steps will ensure a stress-free and enjoyable trip. So, without further ado, let's dive right in. The first crucial step before embarking on your vacation is proper planning. Start by choosing your destination and determining the duration of your trip. Research the best time to visit and make sure to check any travel advisories or visa requirements. Additionally, create a budget to estimate your expenses accurately. Once you have decided on your destination, it's time to book your accommodations. Browse through various options like hotels, resorts, vacation rentals, or even hostels, depending on your preferences and budget. Don't forget to read reviews and compare prices to get the best deal possible. Next, make transportation arrangements to ensure a smooth journey. Whether you're flying, taking a train, or driving, book your tickets well in advance to secure the best rates. If you're traveling internationally, check for any necessary vaccinations or travel documents required. Packing efficiently is a skill every traveler should master. Make a checklist of essential items you'll need during your trip, including clothing, toiletries, electronics, and any specific items related to your destination's activities. Pack versatile clothing pieces that can be mixed and matched, and don't forget to leave some space for souvenirs. Before you leave, notify your bank and credit card company about your upcoming travel plans. This step ensures that your cards won't be blocked due to suspicious activity when you use them in a different location. Set up travel alerts, or consider getting a travel credit card with reduced foreign transaction fees. It's essential to secure your home before you go on vacation. Inform a trusted neighbor or family member about your absence, and ask them to keep an eye on your property. Set up timers for lights, or consider investing in a home security system for added peace of mind. Gather all your important travel documents, such as passports, visas, travel insurance, and itineraries, and keep them in a secure and easily accessible place. It's also wise to make digital copies of these documents and store them in cloud storage or email them to yourself as a backup. Research and plan the activities and sites you want to experience during your vacation. Make a rough itinerary, allowing for flexibility and spontaneous exploration. Check out local attractions, restaurants, and events to make the most of your time at your destination. Don't forget to pack a small first aid kit with essential items like Band-Aids, pain relievers, antihistamines, and any necessary prescription medications. It's better to be prepared for unexpected situations and minor injuries while traveling. If you have pets or plants, ensure they are taken care of during your absence. Arrange for a reliable pet sitter or boarding facility and leave clear instructions on their care routine. Similarly, water your plants or ask someone to do it for you while you're away. Before you depart, familiarize yourself with the local customs and etiquette of your destination. Learn a few basic phrases in the local language to show respect and engage with the locals. Being aware of cultural norms will help you navigate social situations with ease and avoid unintentional offense. Consider investing in travel insurance to protect yourself against unexpected situations, such as trip cancellations, medical emergencies, or lost luggage. It's better to have peace of mind knowing you're covered in case of any unforeseen circumstances during your trip. Inform your close friends and family members about your travel plans. Share your itinerary and contact details so that they can reach you if necessary. It's also a good idea to provide them with copies of your important travel documents in case of emergencies. In addition to storing digital copies of your travel documents, make physical copies as well. Keep copies of your passport, visas, and travel insurance in a separate location from the originals. Having duplicates can be a lifesaver if the originals get misplaced or stolen. Stay up to date with health and safety advisories for your destination. Visit the website of your country's Foreign Affairs Department or the Centers for Disease Control and Prevention, CDC, for any travel alerts or recommended vaccinations. Take the necessary precautions to ensure your well-being while traveling. If you plan to use your mobile phone abroad, contact your service provider to inquire about international roaming options. You may need to activate a temporary plan to avoid exorbitant charges. Alternatively, you can consider purchasing a local SIM card at your destination for more affordable communication. Besides your clothing and toiletries, don't forget to pack some essential travel items. These include a travel adapter for your electronics, a portable charger, a universal plug converter, a neck pillow for long journeys, a lightweight travel towel, and a reusable water bottle to stay hydrated on the go. Research the transportation options available at your destination. Familiarize yourself with local public transportation systems, such as buses, trains, or trams, and determine the most convenient routes for reaching popular attractions. You can also explore ride-sharing services or bike rentals for an alternative mode of transportation. Check the weather forecast for your destination during the dates of your travel. This will help you pack appropriate clothing for the climate. Whether it's sunscreen and swimsuits for a beach vacation, or layers and a raincoat for unpredictable weather, being prepared ensures you're comfortable throughout your trip. And there you have it, our comprehensive guide to the top things you must do before going on vacation. By following these steps, you'll ensure a smooth and stress-free travel experience. So start planning, pack your bags, and get ready for an unforgettable adventure. Bon voyage!